This is why you yawn. It's your brain's way of saying, phew, it's getting hot in here. When you yawn, your mouth opens wide like a confused lion mid-roar, and you suck in cool air like a Dyson vacuum. Your jaw stretches as if it's trying to escape your face. Why all this drama? Your brain is overheating and needs to chill out. Imagine your brain in a tiny sauna up there, sweating and saying, "Okay folks, I'm getting too toasty. Cue the yawn." And boom, yawn happens, instant AC. Your brain's like, much better. Now back to pretending to pay attention in this meeting. So next time someone calls you lazy for yawning, tell them, "Nah, I'm just cooling my CPU, bro."